Hey again, these are instructions for the Earth Day activity. Now, I know I said you'd only have one activity a week, but we're having two because it's the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. So I'm sorry. It'll be fun, I promise. Okay, so Earth Day activity, again, this is in Google Slides. I'm going to try to work in Google Slides more for science now so we can see each other's work and it's easier to share. Plus, there's a smaller space to write, so you don't have to write as much. I like all of these things. Okay, so once you click on this, you're going to go up to Earth Day. So I'm going to move myself over here. So Earth Day, Wednesday, April 22nd is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. I've said that before. To celebrate, we're going to take part and share an Earth Day activity. Right. So I have four options for you. So you must choose one activity to do by Tuesday, April 28th. So you have a week to get this one done. Right. The climate change summary needs to get done by Thursday because that's what we're sharing. But this one you can get done by next Tuesday. Slides 2 through 6 have the options for you. And then read the speaker notes on your slide for sharing instructions. All right. So if we go ahead and look through, so that's the title, and then slides 2, 3, 4, 5 have our options. And then here you will find slides, again, that has your name. This is organized roughly by section, A1, A2, A3. You can find yourself. Okay. So let's go through the options. So again, you're going to pick one of these four activities to do. Okay. So the first one is a citizen science project. It's called Earth Challenge 2020. This one is actually made and set up by the Earth Day Network, so the founders of Earth Day. To do this one, you're going to need to download the Earth Challenge app. It's free. And then once you do that, it's pretty self-explanatory. And right now they have kind of lots of citizen science things for you to record data to help scientists in their work. And right now they have two kind of mini apps within this app. And one is recording air quality. You can do that by taking pictures that scientists can analyze. And the other one is about plastics. It's really self-explanatory when you go through it. I think the air quality one is very interesting, not only for Earth Day, but there have been studies that shown that in cities where the air quality is worse, there is a higher mortality rate for coronavirus, which makes sense because it's a respiratory disease. So helping scientists to monitor air quality in Chicago has definitely gotten better over the years. I'll say that, but it's still not great. So this would be a great project for you to do. Plus it has the plastic monitoring, and I know plastic was a big concern for a lot of you. So there's more information. This is the website for it down here. But again, you can just download and use this app. So that's option one. Option 2 is another citizen science project. So you have another app to download. It's called the iNaturalist app. I've had that app. I actually know the developers of this app from some time ago. They're really great people. And it's just an app to take pictures of wildlife. It geotags it so we know where that picture was. And, just to say, basically start to say like, hey, I saw this on a hike. What is it? And then people crowdsource and answer that question. Scientists actually use this a lot now to get data from people. And right now they have the City Nature Challenge 2020 project. This launched last year as part of Earth Day because we're trying to get a better handle on like the types of wildlife that are in urban areas. Usually when research happens, they go to forests and more natural places, but city wildlife is also very important. So you download this app and then you join the City Nature Challenge, and then it's really easy to take part. Once you've joined the project, any photo that you take automatically gets sent to the project, so you don't need to do anything. But you're going to find any wildlife, plant or animal in your backyard or neighborhood. If you're going for a walk, please remember social distancing, 6 feet, more like that. And wildlife is not like dogs or cats or plants. that don't look native, right? That people have like put there. So you really want to think about things that are there naturally that humans haven't put there first. You take a photo of it and then you upload it to the iNaturalist app. For more information about this is City Nature Challenge. I know a lot of you go on lots of walks, so this might be something fun to do while you're out for one of your walks. Option 3 is actually a movie, so that's fun. It's an Earth Day film night and Q&A with James Balog. This is run by the Museum of Science and Industry, and I'll just pull up there. I didn't really have room on the slide, but his movie is called The Human Element, and he was kind of an investigative photojournalist that made this movie to try to put the human element face to climate change. So how climate change is affecting people. I have seen it before. It's very good. It's very compelling. This one is a live event. So it is Wednesday, April 22nd from 7 to 9 p.m. So they're going to live stream this. And then there'll be a Q&A with the director, and then also Patricia Ward, the Director of Science Exhibitions and Partnerships at MSI. You do need to register for this. So if you go to this Eventbrite page right here, there's a click to register. It's free. There's no cost to it, but this might be something that you want to do with your family or by yourself, whatever. And then option 4 is go outside and plant something. So do you have any seeds or a plant that needs planting? Maybe some of you do. Maybe some of you don't. But if you do, great. Go outside and play in the dirt. I love playing in the dirt. Dirt is very good for your mental health and well-being, playing in the dirt. That's actually true. There's different bacteria in there and smells and things like that. Go play in the dirt. So go plant those seeds or plant. If you got them, if you want to do it, do it. I'm trying to get you outside if we can. All right, so then, Tess, I'm going to use you as an example. Again, you have three things that you need to do in this slide, right? So you're going to find your name, and then you're going to tell me which activity you chose, right? So just write that up there. Insert a photo of you doing the activity. So take a picture of yourself doing whatever you're doing, taking pictures of nature, playing with the app and monitoring air quality, sitting on your couch watching the movie or playing in the dirt. And then just briefly, how did you like the activity? Was it enjoyable? Did you get any sort of enjoyment out of it? Okay, that's it. And again, this is due next Tuesday. So you have a week to get this done. Happy Earth Day, everybody. Very exciting. 50 years of Earth Day. It's great.